Merdeka 118 is a 118-story, 679-meter mega-tall skyscraper in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. VSL lifted the spire of this iconic tower, making it the second tallest building in the world. To achieve this, VSL provided the design and engineering expertise, as well as the supply, installation, and operation of the VSL heavy lifting system.
Based on experience working with VSL, Eversandai opted for the heavy lifting of the spire in modules. For 2 years, VSL assisted in the method and design optimization, capitalizing on its expertise of similar works to arrive at an optimal solution. Making use of 4 VSL strand lifting units, VSL operated the heavy lifting of the spire.
The first lift will be 12.8 metres, and once lifted, then the steelwork contractor shall fit the architectural facade around the frame. Following this, there's 12 more lifts, each being 4.3 metres high.
After the jack is fixed, there will be an incline of 10 degrees away from the spire. This is to ensure the footprint of the spire is out of the way during the lifting.
A strand lifting unit consists of a center hole hydraulic jack, a lower fixed anchorage, and an upper movable anchorage. When the piston extends, the grippers inside the upper anchorage automatically grip the strands. As the piston moves upward, it lifts the load until reaching the end of its stroke. When the piston retracts, the upper anchorage releases the strands while the lower anchorage grips them, holding the load securely in place.
We also have another type of jack for the lateral guide at 3 different levels to ensure the verticality of the spire during the lift.
Each lift required 3 days of preparation and fine adjustment of the lateral guide jacks. During the lift, a team of 5 experts operated 617 meters above the ground, monitoring the pressure of the jacks in real time. The lifting speed was about 20 centimeters per minute, with each jack carrying between 51 and 57 tons. Each 4.3 meter module was raised in 2 to 3 hours.
The final key step of the heavy lifting operations was the transfer of the weight of the pinnacle from being suspended on the strand lifting unit via the strands to the permanent anchorage support in the building.
Once the pinnacle reached its final position, the load was anchored and secured in the upper anchorage of the strand lifting units. The pinnacle was then fixed to the building. After this fixation was complete, the pistons were retracted, lowering the strands and transferring the weight of the pinnacle permanently to the structure.
After the lift of the pinnacle of Burj Khalifa Tower in Dubai, being the tallest building in the world since 2009, VSL has now successfully completed the lift of the pinnacle of the second tallest in the world.